Hello everybody and welcome to this week's assembly. Most of you know me, but for those who don't, my name is Miss Rice and I am the phase leader in early years. I'm really pleased that Little Park will be sharing with us today. Even though they've just come back from some time learning at home, they've been working really hard with their singing. We're also going to talk about the International Day of People with Disabilities, hear about the latest maths updates with Mitzy, and hear about some book recommendations. But first of all, I think we better go and see Little Park and hear one of their songs. Over to you, Little Park.
Open, shut them, open, shut them, give a little clap. Open, shut them, lay them in your lap, lap, lap. Creep them, right up to your chin. Open wide your little mouth. Up like this. Wake and blow a little kiss.
Yesterday was International Day of People with Disabilities. This is a day to recognise and celebrate people with disabilities, some of which are visible, meaning you can see them, and others which are invisible, such as those with sight or hearing impairments or learning differences. An estimated 15% of the world's population are living with disabilities. The theme of this year's day is about those disabilities that you cannot see. Around the world, many children and adults face extra challenges in life, and many do not seek help because of discrimination and stigma. As a school and as a society, we need to work hard to make sure that every single member of our community is included. This does not mean we pretend that there are no differences between people, or that people with disabilities do not exist. It means we need to recognise that including everybody takes work, and we need to be understanding and willing to do that. One way we can do that is by making sure everybody can communicate. Some children in school benefit from extra help with communication, and we use special signs. Ms Burnett is a specialist teacher, and in our assemblies she's going to teach us signs that we can learn each week to help us to communicate. This means that for children who use these signs, they can join in with all of us.
Hello everyone. I'm Ms Burnett. I am the SEN teacher here at Park Primary. Every week in assembly from now on, we're going to be doing a sign so that we can learn how to communicate with children who may not speak. And so the sign for this week is drink. Drink. Okay, so you can use it if you want to get a drink, or if you're asking someone if they want to get a drink.
Okay, I think we will do some stars of the week. Here are our stars in early years and Key Stage 1. In Little Park, we have Medina from Mexia. From Tenzing, we have Soraya. And from Coleman, we have Ibrahim. Well done to them. From reception, we have Anaf in Jemison class, Matilda in MacArthur class, and Samit in Seacole class. From year 1, we have Mohammed Isa in Aldrin class. We have Ishmael in Attenborough class, and we have Nyla in Marco Polo class. And the year 2s, we have Emilis in Einstein, Reggie in Marie Curie, and Alicia in Pasteur. Let's hear another song from nursery, and then we can hear from Mitzy Pecknold. Let's go back to Little Park.
Hey, shoulders, knees and toes. Hey, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears. Knees and toes.
Hey, Park Primary! A masked up Mitzy is here this week because she is keeping safe, and we hope you are too. I have semi-final results. I shan't keep you waiting any longer. Here we go. Drum roll, please. Whoop. Lower Key Stage 2. Hawking and Edison. It was an epic battle. People didn't sleep for days, but only one class could reign supreme. And it was you, Hawking. Well done. Let's give a big cheer for Hawking class. Hey, Next up, Rosa Parks versus Pankhurst in the battle of 5 versus 6. And that was a battle and a half. In fact, you might say it was 1.5 battles if you're doing decimals. Every class rocked hard. Almost every single child who could play played. But the reigning supreme class, and Miss Munchie has done it 2 years in a row now, it was you, Pankhurst. And you rocked out, so you rocked hard. Hard luck, Rosa Parks. Hard luck, Edison. You've done amazing to get to the semi-finals. And remember, you are still your class and year group champions. The final begins on Friday, and we will announce in next week's assembly who the Key Stage 2, TT Rockstars, Ultimate World Cup, Champion of Champions, Leader of Leaders, Times Tablers of Times Tablers for Park Primary 2020 will be. And there might be a little treat for their parties. For whoever's in the final will get a treat, maybe an extra big treat for the champions. So, everybody, wear a mask, stay safe, and rock on!
Okay, everyone, now we're going to introduce a new feature. We are very lucky in our school because we have so many books. Ms Chandraraja regularly shares with us about all of your brilliant reading challenges with Newham Libraries. In our local area, we are really lucky to have such a brilliant bookshop, Newham Bookshop on Barking Road near the bottom of Green Street. As a new little feature in our assemblies, each week we are inviting children to share recommendations.
Good morning, it'll be wet lunch for Key Stage 1 today.
As a new little feature in our assemblies, each week we are inviting children to share recommendations of books that they have loved. We will be sharing books for all year groups and can't wait to hear what you've been reading.
Hi. Hello. We're doing a new segment at the start of the week assembly, and that's book recommendation. We're doing a mixture of Key Stage 2 and Key Stage 1 books. This week is Key Stage 2. Next week hopefully will be Key Stage 1. Hey, my friend, what are you reading?
I'm reading a poem.
What's it about?
It's about the fight with Muhammad Ali.
Now that's a picture of Muhammad Ali. Could you read us a poem then?
Sure. Here's one. Before the fight, a reporter asked me if I thought I was as good as Joe Louis or Sugar Ray was at my age, and I told him I don't think I am as good. I'm better, got more flow than Joe, more slay than Ray. I'm sweeter, stronger and faster. As a matter of fact, I'm so fast I can't even catch myself.
Nice poem. Do you want to see mine?
Yes.
I've got this book and it's about Dogma and Ball of the Wild. There's so many pictures you see over here. Mainly the pages flip to pictures, and there's a special part in the story where you have the flipperama. So what you have to do is put your hand here, your thumb here, and if you see, look at this, wrong page. You can see the animation of the pictures. Look, he's ripping off his nose. He's slapping it up and down. He's going up and jumping with the letter, and he's done. Let's see another book. Let's see a Muhammad Ali one. What's that?
Oh, it's a book called Wonder. My second recommendation is Wonder. I really recommend this for year 5 and year 6. I think you really like it.
I'm doing a similar book. It's on the Good Thieves. My favorite part is where Vita tries to steal this ring. Though I'm not going to say anything else. You have to read the book to find out.
Maybe next week we can show your favorite books.
If you want to show your favorite books, go and ask your teacher and tell him if you want to share your favorite book. Cut the camera!
Bye.
Now, let's have another song before our final stars of the week.
One elephant went out to play on a spider's web one day. They had such enormous fun that they called for another elephant to come. Two elephants went out to play on a spider's web one day. They had such enormous fun that
Show me 3.
I did 3.
Yeah, nearly. Good job. These 2 down.
3 elephants went out to play. On a spotless wet one day. They had such enormous fun that they called for another elephant to come.
3 and 1 more.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Thank you.
4 elephants went out to play. On the spotless wet one day. They had such enormous fun that they called for another elephant to come. 5 elephants went out to play. On a spotless wet one day. They had such enormous fun that they called for another elephant to come. Hello? Hello? There's no more elephants to come and play. You have to go to sleep now. Bye-bye, elephants. And they're going to sleep.
They're going to sleep. Elephant song has.
Now it's time for stars in Key Stage 2. In Year 3, we've got Mesa from Da Vinci, we've got Ravneet from Galileo, and we've got Thomas from Edison. In Year 4, we've got Ryder from Berners-Lee, Umair from Hawking, and Saeed from Brunel. In Year 5, we've got Kambui from Gandhi, we've got Rayan from Helen Keller, we've got Nandini from Rosa Parks. In Year 6, we've got Shambil from Mandela, we've got Aman from Malala, and we've got Javan from Pankhurst. Well done to all of those children. Have a great weekend, everybody. To play us out, here is one final brilliant song from Little Park.
Here we go.
Full banana, full banana, full banana, full banana. Peel banana, peel banana, peel banana, peel banana. There we go, bananas, go bananas, go bananas, go bananas, and stop. Full the orange, full the orange, full the orange, full the orange. Peel the orange, peel the orange, peel the orange, peel the orange. Then we squeeze the orange, squeeze the orange, squeeze the orange, squeeze the orange, and stop. Full the corn, full the corn, full the corn, full the corn. Shock the corn, shock the corn. Shock the corn, shock the corn. Then we chop the corn, pop the corn, chop the corn, pop the corn, and stop. Potato. Full potato, full potato, full potato, full potato. Peel potato, peel potato, peel potato, peel potato.